Hi folks, this is actually a test. I wanted to see how that works here. I'm at the airport and I'm going to the I'm actually not most southern part of Japan, but quite quite far south, Okinawa today. I said that yesterday already. I'm taking the Raccoon and the Hafersack because I have no other luggage and I got everything in here. It was very cold this morning. I don't need that in Okinawa, but you can also see this is a quite heavy duty hoodie from Under Armour, but I think everything else fits there as well. And yeah, I have some items in here, like Japan is actually very easy to go for domestic flights through the security. I have, and you can see that, look, I have a bottle of Aquarius Zero in here. They didn't even blink an eye. So this was not like, oh, please take that out or throw that away, like all this crap and yeah, whatever in the States or in Europe and whatever. Look, I have a flashlight in here, I have pens in here. I even have a big lighter in there because there's no problem with that. First aid kit here and so on and so forth. Actually, this is like filled with something else. Yeah, I would say this is more than enough for me for bringing my essentials with me on board, so you don't have the hassle of check-in luggage waiting for that and so on and so forth. Right? In total, I don't fly. I don't like to fly so much because the trains here in Japan are so convenient, but there is no train to Okinawa, so this has to be the way it is. Meaning is no multi-tool, no knife, yeah, no extra big amount of batteries and so on. So this is always like big hustle for me, in my opinion. But anyway, as I said, worked great. I rearranged the admin pouch on this one here, put that higher, and turned that around so I can grab the phone when it's in here easily, and I can also adjust the straps because this is actually maxed out for my frame. I think you saw that yesterday. That looks quite tiny on me. I saw a review recently from a guy from Thailand. The backpack looked like, what? It's like, yeah. Anyway, look, you all have a great start of the week. Wish you the best. More from Okinawa will be, I guess, coming. And let's see how the mic worked today, okay? Watch your six. That's it for today. MilPic over.